Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see what is hooks and how many types of hooks available in Odoo. What is the purpose we will see in this discussion. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to extend the existing view using the attribute position, please check, link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the playlist. You can scroll down little bit. You can see here Odoo development playlist available with different topic wise with real test cases. Plus, if you need any support, you can send your query to this email address. Plus, source code is also available here, and we have also different social media pages you can also follow to get a latest notification. You can also support this channel using two ways: buy me coffee or the PayPal. Alright, so let's back to our main topic, like what is hooks, what is the purpose of the hooks. Let's say there is a one scenario, like if you are trying to install module, right, before installing the module or after installing the module, or let's say while uninstall the module, that time you want to perform a specific operation, that time the hooks is you can implement. Plus you can also override existing framework logic using the monkey patch using available hook. So there is a 4 types of hooks available, right? We will see in detail with real test cases. So let's say I'm going to App Store here. You can see here 2 modules install and rest you can see it's not installed module, right? Let's say if I will install this module, while installation time I want to perform some operations, like I want to update in existing flow, like let's say in the RDS partner or the sales order I want to automate confirm before this module install, or like let's say I want to uninstall this module, like let's say this accounting part, then I want to change something in RDS partner model. This is only an example here. So there is a many test cases available, depends on your requirement you can implement. So that time the hooks is the best feature in Odoo to implement, right? Like again, like if you want to perform some specific operation while installation or uninstall any module, that time hooks is very helpful. There are 4 types of hooks available, like pre-hook, post-hook, uninstall hook, and the post-load hook. So what it does, like what pre-hook does, like whenever you click to the installation button for that specific module, the Odoo automatically call pre-hook feature and it will execute the specific operation. Then after once the module successfully installed, after like post-hook feature automatically call, and then like if you are trying to uninstall any module, that time like automatically uninstall hook automatically call. And then after, like if you want to change something in the ORM method, the existing features provided by Odoo, or something else you need to override code using monkey patch, that time so here like post load hook feature comes to the picture. So you can see here 4 types of different hooks available with different purposes. We will see all the detailed discussion with real test cases, don't worry about this one. And here like we have to implement in the manifest file. So let me go to in editor. So here I will try to create a new module here, alright, for the hook. And here like we have to add all 4 types of hooks, same as like data key, depends, like this we have to provide here the hooks. Like let's say pre init hook, then after like post init hook, and then after like uninstall hook, and here like post underscore load, right? So here we have to provide such keys to execute specific hook here, and here in the value we have to provide the method name, I mean your method name. and those methods should be available in the init file here. Let's say if you want to create a separate Python file, that is also fine. Like if you are a contributor, so here there is a one rule, you can add here the hook.py file and you can add your methods here, your hook methods, your operations. Alright, and this hook method we need to import here, like from dot import hook, like this. Alright, so don't worry about this init file and the manifest file here. You can also execute here row query, as well as you can also call ORM methods. How you can call, I will show you in a different topic wise. Alright, so don't worry about this one. So this is only a basic information about the hook feature in Odoo. I hope you understood what is hook, what is the purpose of the hook, and how we can implement hooks using the manifest file, right? Our next discussion is pre-init hook and how we can implement in the manifest file. So in case you have any doubt related this discussion, please comment below and see you in next session.